I'll have to give the MegaZip line another go. Done it in 2019, come back to do it again. This is good fun. It's worth giving it a go. It looks a bit scary, but it's actually not. It's just really good fun once you get going.
No, you can, but you've got to find
See ya, bitches!
Okay, we're good. Huh? Yeah, no. Yep, April made it this time. Last time April they had to come out to fetch her. She didn't make it all the way.
But now everything upgraded it.
Ah, it's just
Good. Australia also got, but I think Adelaide.
we're Adelaide, South Australia.
I think
Yeah. Ready, lot? Good.
Look.
Yeah. No worries.
Wait, your
Look.
shirt. Okay, come sit down.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Yep.
I haven't been used for a while.
Sorry.
That's not been touched for a while, Scott. You guys did it. 3, 2, 1, bye-bye.
Oh, just come sit walking. No, I can't walk. There we go. I couldn't get my feet to work. Thank you. Yeah. Ah, yeah, sorry. Oops, sorry. Stepping on you. Yep.
Okay, empty the bag.
No worries.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Empty the bag, then you pass the bag.
Ah, you want the bag back?
You just take it.
That's okay. There you go. Thank you.
That's the wrong person. Yeah.
You got it? Okay, cool.
Nearly smacked that tree.
Yeah, I reckon I caught you on the video too. Oh, MegaZip's lost their building. Thank you.